This is the Avery Dennison Porsche 911 GT3 Cup car, wrapped and designed by KI Studios. It uses Avery Dennison Supreme wrapping film. The colors are black pearl, white pearl, and gloss lime green. The design was created to be fully layered with no printing, except for the racing number plates. The lines are meant to show an abstract version of the Avery Dennison logo throughout the body of the car, then with a big logo on the hood. For complete details about this wrap and the car, be sure to visit our website. There is a link in the description for the official blog post for this car. So what were you telling me about the bumpers? About how they are one color?
Well, they're always bumping into each other on the racetrack, so they made them one color so they can just swap out the wrap on the bumper real quick.
Oh, okay.
Swap out the